We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Road Glide Ultra. This one is in Wicked Red and Twisted Cherry. Really clean bike. Starting up at the front, we have dual disc braking. We also have ABS front and rear. Engine guards front and rear as well. That 107 Milwaukee engine. Rider and passenger floorboards. Locking saddlebags and top case with a luggage rack. Really comfortable passenger backrest with some speakers in there as well. And we have speakers on the front. Nice tall windshield. And we also have that heel toe shifter. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We are located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.